こんにちは、鈴木忍者太郎です。ドライビングインストラクター Z さんはクビじゃなくて部署異動になってしまったので、今日から私はこのチャンネルを引き継ぐことになります。正直私の英語の発音は少々怪しいので、私の友人に何か便利な動画がないかどうかを尋ねてみようと思うんだよね。
Hey, is there any copyright issue with this?
なんかめんどくさいことになったら嫌なんで、忍術を使って英語を喋れるようにしちゃいます。
You should have done that from the start.
Hello, I'm Suzuki Ninja Taro. I teach how to drive people who come from out of Japan every day. I hold several professional qualifications, including driving instructor, examiner, motorcycle instructor.
If you talk too much, today's youth will just skip or change the channel.
I always get looked down on by people with fancy laptops at cafes just for today. So just let me act like a big shot on this channel for once. So let me brag.
Wow, you couldn't be any less cool.
My father was also a driving instructor. My grandfather used to teach all kinds of people how to ride horses. According to them, nobody does well at first. That's only natural. But if you practice, you'll get better. I've inherited that spirit. I have only one wish. That everyone can drive safely in a foreign land, Japan. I look forward to your continued support. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Ninja.